Hello. For today, we will learn how to make a payroll and a payslip. To start with, we need the data for the employees' names, gender, their position, the employee's salary rate, and their salaries are depending on their position and their salary income, or the amount of salary they are given to according to their position. And we also have the number of days present and number of days absent, and this is based on a 15-day work span. We also have the number of hours overtime, and it has a maximum of 8 hours for overtime. To start with the partial income, we need to multiply salary to the number of days present. Let's have salary equal to number of days present. Just drag it down. And we're on the overtime rate. Overtime rate is salary over number of overtime hours, which is 8. So let's have salary divided by 8. For the overtime pay, we need to multiply overtime rate with the number of hours of overtime. And for the cash advance, it depends on the person or the employee. Let's have it randomized. Now, we'll proceed on the SSS. For the SSS, it is 10% of the income. So you have partial income multiplied to 0.1. Multiplied to 0.1. Drag it down. For the income tax, it is 12% of the income. So we need to multiply partial income to 0.12. Drag it down as well. Now we're on the pag-ibig. It is 5% of the income. Multiply to 0.05. And here on, we have the total cash deduction, and it is the sum for the cash advance, the SSS, income tax, and pavilion. It has the range of sales. That is the total cash deductions. Now let's proceed to the gross income, which is the sum of the overtime pay and the partial income. And for the net income, it is the gross income deducted with the total cash deductions. So let's have gross income minus the total cash deduction. Let's write it down. Now we're done with our payroll. We can proceed the making of our payslip. In here, let's try to input query number 1 for the date. Get formula. Now, hit provide the date based on your PC's date and time. And the Vlookup. Based on the cell, let's call out that cell. And let's call out that as our table. And it's column of the name, which is column number 2. False, because we're trying to find the exact value or data. Not wrong. We have a wrong spelling. Now we have a need based on that one. And for the position, let's repeat. Still Vlookup. So let's base this on this employee number again. And that our defined name, for it to be easy. And the position is on column number 4. It's column number 4 and have false. For the salary rate, let's have Vlookup again. This number as firm the table salary is on the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th column, we need to put that up. And false. We have that one. So I'm just going to copy all this one. But just change the column number. For the gross income, column number of the gross income is 19. Gross income. And for deductions, it is on column number 16. Total cash deduction. D5. For this not to change, let's try to put up SSS is on column number 13. It's really easy. Let's try to copy this one again. Let's change the column number. SSS. Here we're done with the SSS. We're on the income tax. Let's see if column number is the income tax. We have it. We run the pag-ibig already, and it's on column number 15. Right after pag-ibig, and the cash advance is on column number 12. Now, finally on the formula. I'm going to change the column into column number 18, which is our last column in the payroll sheet. We have the net income. And you can put up some design for this one if you wanted to make it more presentable. Let's get up a name. Let's put up an outside border. Put up some colors. Here we have our payslip. If we change this number, the data automatically changes too. It makes it more easier for you. To add up, you could also use data validation in this one for you to be easy to search up the numbers, which is a drop-down menu. We're going to end in here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Just click on the like button and subscribe to this channel, and click onto the notification bell to be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless.